Hi, in the lush green beauty of the garden, we find and identify the ladybird. Ladybird, also known as ladybug in the North America. Ladybird belong to the Coxinellidae family. The taxonomic classification of the ladybird include kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Calyptera, family Coxinellidae. Ladybird have round or oval shaped body with dome appearance. These compact forms help in the protection and maneuverability. Like all beetle, ladybirds have a hardened pair of forewings called elytra. The elytra serve as a protective cover over the delicate hind wings. The elytra have a beautiful colors and a black spot serving to warning of potential predators. Ladybirds have a beautiful color pattern on its body, most commonly red and orange with black spot on it. This aposematic coloration serving to warn predator as their toxic nature. Ladybirds have short legs according to their body size. These short legs help in walking, climbing on vegetation, aiding in searching for prey. Ladybirds have short head with chewing mouth part. They use their mouth part to consume their prey. Ladybirds have short club-shaped antenna attached with the head, used for detecting chemicals and sensing their environmental signals. Ladybirds vary in size depending on the species. Most common species ranging from 0.8 to 1.8 millimeter in length. The morphology of the ladybird is well suited according to its predatory lifestyle, enabling them to efficiently hunt and consuming their prey and provide protection against potential threats. Ladybirds are found worldwide, but most commonly in grasslands, forests, agricultural fields and gardens. They are often associated with the plants infested by aphids, which are the primary food source of the ladybird. Ladybirds are voracious predators, primarily feeding on soft-bodied insects such as aphids, scale insects and mites. They play a crucial role in agricultural field as they help farmers in pest control and reducing the cost of pesticide. Ladybirds use their keen sense of sight and smell to locate the prey and use their chewing mouth part to consume and hold the prey. Ladybirds engage in elaborating mating rituals and show courtship behaviors both by males and females. The male release pheromones to attract females. Males and females show courtship behaviors such as wing fanning and antennal strokes. Once a pair has mated, the male dismounts and leaves the female to lay her egg. Female ladybirds lay their egg underside the leaf or other suitable proper surfaces near the aphid colonies or other suitable food resources for their offsprings. Ladybirds lay several dozens of eggs in a single batch, ensuring sufficient food supply for emerging larvae. Ladybird larvae are highly active, voracious predators, often resembling small elongated alligators with spiky bodies. They actively hunt for prey, using their sharp mandible to pierce and consume their prey. Ladybird larvae go through several molds, shedding their exoskeleton to accommodate their increasing size. After reaching a certain size, ladybird larvae enter the pupal stage, under which they go metamorphosis into their adult form. Ladybirds' pupae are typically immobile and small, oblong-shaped capsule attached to leaves. Inside the pupal case, the larvae undergo dramatic changes and develop into adult ladybird. In colder climates, the ladybird exhibit a behavior known as overwintering, in which the ladybirds seek shelter location to hibernate during the cooler month. Ladybirds aggregate in large numbers in the cracks, crevices, or in the buildings or beneath the bark. This behavior helps them to survive in colder climates until a warmer temperature comes in summer. Ladybirds undergo complete metamorphosis including eggs, larvae, pupa, and adult stages. Female ladybirds lay eggs near the aphid colonies. The larvae hatch from the eggs and undergo several molds before adopting the adult condition. The pupal stage lasts for a few days to few weeks. Fertilization in ladybirds takes place internally. Mating typically occurs on the plants, in which the males transfer sperms to the females through the copulatory organs. In medical importance of ladybird, ladybirds are harmless to humans, but some species can cause allergic reaction to some individuals. In ecological importance of ladybird play a crucial role in biological pest control, as they preying aphids and other small damaging crop insects. Their presence can reduce the cost of pesticide and promote a healthy and well suitable crops in the agricultural fields.